Start by tying a slip knot near the end of the yarn. Leave yourself about 6 inches of yarn after the knot. Place the loop over your pointer finger and tighten it a little. Take the 6-inch length of yarn and move it out of the way. You'll need it so you can tie your bracelet at the end. Using yarn from the ball from the yarn, not the 6-inch end, weave the yarn under your middle finger. It's important you go under your middle finger, then over your ring finger and under your pinky. Then wrap the yarn around and over your pinky, under your ring finger, over your middle finger and under your pointer finger. You'll end up with a loop on each of your 4 fingers. Push the loops to the same spot on your fingers so they line up in a straight line, like in the photo below. Then wrap the yarn, which will be coming from under your pointer finger, over and across all of your fingers, above the line of loops that you just finished weaving. Starting with your pointer finger, take the bottom loop, lift it up and over the top yarn that you laid over your fingers, and then over your finger and to the back. Then move on to your middle finger, and do it again. Take the bottom loop, lift it up and over the yarn that you laid over your fingers, and then over your finger and to the back. Repeat for your ring finger and your pinky. You should be left with 1 loop on each finger. Now take the yarn and lay it over your fingers above the loops, just as you did before. Starting with the bottom loop on your pinky, lift it up and over the yarn that you laid over your fingers, and then over your pinky and to the back. Keep lifting the bottom loop on each finger up and over in this way. Every time you finish a row, you should be left with 1 loop on each finger. Then you'll take the yarn and lay it over your fingers above the loops, and you'll lift the loop on each finger up and over it. Repeat until you're happy with the length. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.